We've sent the code to the Telegram app on your other device. Struggling because Telegram sent your verification code to another device instead of SMS? Don't worry, I'll explain why this happens and show you exactly how to fix it. When Telegram says it sent the code to another device, it means your account is still logged in elsewhere, like your computer, tablet, or another phone. Telegram prioritizes sending codes to active sessions over SMS for security reasons. Step 1. Check other devices first. Start by looking for the code on any devices where you're still logged in, such as your desktop, laptop, or another phone. Open Telegram on those devices. The code should appear as a notification or in your chats. Step 2. Request SMS, if needed. If you can't access your other devices, wait a few minutes. Telegram might then offer an SMS option at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to request the code via text message instead. Step 3. Last resort fixes. Still stuck? Try these solutions. Reinstall Telegram. Uninstall and re-download the app to reset the verification process. Use Telegram X. Download this alternate version, available on the Play Store or App Store. Sometimes it bypasses this issue and allows you to request SMS or call verification. Hope this solved your login trouble. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them below. Found this helpful? Subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next guide.